In this video, you'll learn how to earn USDT on Binance. By following these steps, you will explore various earning options, subscribe to products, and effectively manage your earnings. Begin by navigating to the Binance website. If you are not already signed in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once logged in, look for the Earn section, which is typically found in the main menu or dashboard. This section provides a variety of options specifically designed for earning USDT. After entering the Earn section, you will see a list of available USDT earning products. Take your time to browse through these options. Each product will display its annual percentage rate or APR, along with specific terms and conditions. It is essential to read through this information to identify which opportunities align with your earning goals. Once you have decided on a product, select either a flexible or locked earning option. Flexible options allow you to withdraw your funds at any time, while locked products require you to commit your funds for a set period. Enter the amount of USDT you wish to subscribe to the selected product. After confirming this amount, ensure that you review all details before proceeding. Click on the subscribe button to complete this action. After subscribing, monitor your earnings by regularly checking the Earn section. You will be able to see your rewards accumulate over time. When your earnings become available for withdrawal, you will receive a notification or see an update in your account. It's important to manage your risk responsibly by understanding the terms of the products you've selected. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.